Supreme Service Today provides top-quality air conditioning repairs at an affordable cost for all Font Hill homes. We are trusted by over 480-plus reviewers in the Baltimore, Maryland area and beyond. We offer a full line of installation, maintenance, and repair services that your AC cooling or heating system may require. No matter what the problem or time of year it is, you can count on the trusted professionals at Supreme Service Today for expert advice from professionally licensed and certified technicians. Upfront pricing, you'll never pay more than what's quoted. Customer commitment and satisfaction guarantee on any work we do. Ask about our same-day service availability and current $49 AC tune-up special now. Experience customer satisfaction on all HVAC or air conditioning repairs with Supreme Service Today. Call now to schedule a comprehensive air conditioning repair assessment or $49 AC tune-up at 410-781-1002. Or visit www.supremeservicetoday.com.